Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast by Media and Marketing Club from KV Rangareddy Degree College. So, I'm your host, Sayyida Rukhaya Khadri from BCom second year. So today we are here to discuss about the college life, experiences, lessons, and memories we create in college. So the college life is a phase where it is a very special phase for students. So here to share their memories and experiences, life lessons, I am here by my seniors Soumya and Sumita from Commerce. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi, we're fine. How are you?
Fine. So let's begin the conversation.
We are excited.
Okay, so let's begin with Sumita. So I would like to know that what was the biggest fear for you before joining the college?
My biggest fear before joining to the college was whether I'll be able to adjust in this environment or not. And the second one is allotment. Like, I was so confused whether to go this block or that block,
Oh, yeah.
as we are having 3 blocks right
Yes.
here.
It is a bit
Yes.
confusing.
and and also friends. See, when I was in my inter level, I used to have many friends, and I thought, am I able to adjust with them or not? Would I could have a good rapport with them or not?
So do I.
Yes.
Yeah. So now let's ask to Soumya. So Soumya, I would like to ask you, what does a normal college day looks like of student? A normal day looks like for a student. How would you answer that?
Well, my normal day usually begins with attending classes. Basically, I'm not a good listener. I don't want to listen to any of the classes. But what makes me to listen is some interesting topics. When explanation, the way lecturers explain, that is the one thing that makes me to listen classes. And I'm a very gregarious person. I love to interact with all of my classmates sometimes.
Nice.
And do fun chit chat. Just need to get time and then go back to friends, talk and write something on paper, have a conversation. Getting caught by mans, tauntings, everything feels like a memory.
Yeah.
That's a normal day. Feels like memorable day.
Yeah. It is good.
Yeah.
Okay, you related really very much with your answer to us. So now, Sumita, now I would like to ask you about what was the most memorable, enjoyable moment in your college life. What was the there will be one moment
Yeah.
like we'll be remembering, it will be stuck in our
Yes.
head for lifelong.
Yeah.
So what was that moment for you in this college life?
In 2024, there's a Teachers' Day celebrations, and we all plan to wear a sari.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Eventually,
know. Okay.
And then all of a sudden, my friends started telling me just to go and act as a cost lecturer, Varshini ma'am.
Oh.
That was the moment I started shivering. I don't know what to do.
Ayyo.
What if I enact as her and then she. Oh my god, so many thoughts running over my mind, and that was a memorable moment. I enacted as her and with trepidation. No, and then rest. Yeah, okay, I'm fine. And she applauded and then said, "You did
Oh,
well."
nice.
That's a compliment I got from her. No, when we enact as a lecturer, we have that fear. What if they
Yes.
judge? Not in front of everyone, but secretly. I don't want that label on me, so I said, I gave a disclaimer to ma'am, just for fun, don't take it seriously. Okay, and then we ended up doing that. Yeah.
Nice. So Sumita, I would like to ask you, how did group activities which we conduct in our college or the events have make you bond with others in the college, like juniors or seniors or your friends, your classmates only? How did those activities or events helped you to bond with others? I would like to know that.
So, first thing, I'm very enthusiastic when it comes to participation in some events. So, I'm an gregarious person, and I love to interact with people. Whenever I'll interact with my juniors, especially the juniors, they'll give me a compliment like, "Sister, you're so nice." That is really a
Yes,
true
you
compliment.
Yes.
Thank you. And yes, see, group activities, group events, make all together. Like, see, we'll discuss the ideas, thoughts,
Yeah.
whatever we are having. And yes, by having group activities, we can make the event more successful.
Yeah.
Uh, and there are many events where I have participated, like group activities,
Yes.
and that really made success. Uh,
So your answer was really good and relatable. I can really say you are an enthusiastic senior for us.
Thank you.
Okay, now Samya, I would like to ask you, how did your college life taught you about the time management and the responsibilities, taking up responsibilities? How did college life help you in that? I would really like to know about it.
To be honest, college taught me a lot more that I'm still learning. The one thing I like about the college is they always try to uplift the students' talent by bringing many programs and activities that helps us
That
to
is true.
engage in creative ideas.
Yeah.
When it comes to time management, when they give deadlines,
Exactly.
I procrastinate a lot. I don't
Yeah.
do works on time, but I submit on time.
yes.
What motivates
I
me?
can relate with
Yes.
you.
What motivates me to do is, what if I don't? That one line. What if I do? Nothing bothers me. If I don't, everything bothers me a lot. So that's the one thing.
So your answer was really fascinating. Now, Sumita, I would like to ask you about what kind of personal change did you feel in your college life by being in this college? What kind of personal change you noticed in yourself? I would like to know.
Okay, after college life, after the college, I have noticed many things. Like, I have a positive change in myself. Like, college have taught me how to be disciplined, time management, especially the time management.
True.
And I'm aware of my goals, and it helped me how a girl can be like how uh, she can stand, taking a stand by herself. I have seen many girls in our college, like they are very independent.
Yes.
Yes, and it taught me how to be confident. It improved my communication skills, and it taught me many things, not only studies but also the extracurricular activities, I can say. Teamwork, building a teamwork. Okay, the best advice which I want to give to my juniors is, friends, make someone who supports you, not with the one who talks behind your back. Okay, friends should be someone who supports you all the time, and also uh, to whom you are making the friends, they need to be in touch, not like just for like
Limited period.
yes, limited period. And also, as a girl, we are the girls, right? This is women's college, so we need to be strong, whatever
Yeah.
it may be the circumstances. Be strong. Never ever uh, like don't take a back step.
Yeah.
Whichever pops up in your mind, start doing that. And
Listen to our hearts.
yes, exactly. Listen to your heart.
Okay, what about you, Soumya? What is your perspective? What advice would you like to give us as a senior?
So juniors, blindly follow what lecturers say to you. It is for your good and participate in each and every activity. It boosts up your confidence. Just do whatever you want to, but in a control and follow all the rules and regulations. it might look okay, but you have to. Yeah.
So that was a great advice by my seniors for all of us, for all our juniors, and we enjoyed a lot by talking to you. Especially I enjoyed a lot by talking to you.
Me too.
And I hope my viewers would also
Yes.
enjoy by seeing this podcast. And thank you so much for becoming my guest. So I hope this conversation inspired you all to make more memories in your college life, make nice friendships with your friends, and I would like you all to stay connected with us for more such episodes, for more such conversation. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.